So there's been a lot of discussion in the news lately about drones. And I think it's an interesting example about technology that might be just outside everyday understanding. We think that drones are relatively new, and we think we understand them. And I would suggest that neither are true. Remote control airplanes and helicopters have been very popular for more than 50 years. And when we think of understanding technology, we're biased by thinking about the flavors of the technology that we can afford. The drone you get your kids for Christmas. But in the 1950s, Isaac Asimov predicted the future of robotics. And at the time, he suggested that an individual robot might cost as much as an entire battleship. So if we take that seriously, we have to appreciate that the general public wouldn't have any understanding of what a modern drone actually is or what it's capable of. I'll link below some interesting drone from a few decades ago that used rocket thrusters that seems straight out of our future and is in the past. And so if you add many zeros to the price tag of your kid's Christmas toy drone, what could you really get? And then would the public have any understanding of its capabilities or its purpose? If you know anything about drones, let us know what you think.